The material management workflow enables great transparency and tracking capabilities of material inventory in printing batches. Organized in stocks, lots, and batches, the system is designed to be easily accessible for operators and the production floor. A stock is a total group of a single material at a specific location. They are used to record and reflect the quantity of a given material type that is in your inventory. Material lots represent the material's inventory and include information like delivery date and ID, expiration dates, the number of containers, and their size. Each lot container will have its own QR code, which are printable as PDFs. Whenever you create a lot, the stock also updates automatically. From a material lot, operators can create material batches directly as they are processing the powders by scanning the QR code on the container through the Authentise web app. A batch is then put in containers and can then be split, blended, scrapped, sieved, tested, or otherwise loaded into a machine for use on printing runs. You can also blend batches that have different material types. This is shown by a pink-blue pie chart at the material batch level. All the processing information for each batch can be accessed and exported as a formatted report or visualized directly in the platform by looking at the material genealogy. All of these and even more features can make up a material management framework to ensure materials reliability, improve QA tracking and reporting, and ultimately tie a closer loop between the Authentise platform and the factory floor.